So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Temu slow connection, network cache and app update. So fix one is adjust your date and time setting. In Android, navigate to setting, select system, go to date and time, then toggle on automatic date and time. In iOS, navigate to setting, select journal, choose date and time, then enable the set automatically option. Second fix is clear app cache and data. In Android, navigate to setting on your device, select apps from the menu, find and tap on Temu, choose storage option, tap on clear cache to remove temporary files. In iOS, navigate to setting, then journal, then iPhone storage. Select Temu from the list of apps, choose the option of offload app to clear the cache while retaining login information. Reinstall the app from the App Store. Third fix is switch your network connection. Activate airplane mode for 10 seconds, then deactivate it. If using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile cellular data or vice versa. Fourth fix is update or reinstall the app. Check the Google Play Store or App Store for any pending update. If no update are available, consider uninstalling the app completely. Restart your device after uninstalling the app. Download a fresh copy of the app from the App Store. Fifth fix is check for servers outages. Temu server may be down for maintenance or facing high traffic if other apps are functioning well. Check community forums such as the Reddit app won't load discussion for user report or similar issue. Verify if the problem is localized to your area by comparing with other user experience. Thanks for watching.